Welcome to the Rig and Farm YouTube channel. We got a tractor for the farm! We bought a brand new Kubota LX2610 SU from our local Kubota dealership. It was delivered to our home and will stay here until we move up to our 25-acre property. Our tractor came with a front-end loader, bucket, third function valve, grapple, pallet forks, rotary cutter, and box blade. We'll give you a quick overview of the tractor, but first, let's clean up this mud the delivery guy got all over it. Here's our rotary cutter we'll use to keep brush under control. You can see the bucket and forks here, the box blade in the back, and the grapple currently attached. We opted for the larger R14 tires. Here's a peek under the hood. It has a step to help get into the seat. The parking brake is set by stepping on the brake pedal and then holding the lever down while pulling off the pedal. These are the levers to put the tractor in gear and engage the rear PTO. Using this pedal allows you to move forward and backward. This is the 3-point hitch and rear PTO, which is short for power takeoff. These are the 4-wheel drive and rear PTO hydraulic levers, and this controls how fast the hydraulics drop. Here's the loader controller with buttons to open and close the grapple. It also came with this fancy toolbox where we're storing some pins, a power outlet, and a cup holder! We're really looking forward to using this amazing machine to accomplish a lot on the farm. There are several more implements we'll be getting once we're on the property. Comment below if you have any questions or have ideas for future videos. Please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We will be posting more tractor videos in addition to many other farm-related topics. Thanks for watching!